Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll deep dive into TRENT Ltd. This is your Tata Group's retail powerhouse. So all of us would know the story of this. This stock is like swinging widely in the market. It is down over 30% in the past quarter. And the main objective is like, should you buy this stock, sell or hold? So I'll break down today in this video about the fundamentals, technicals, as well as shareholding pattern of this. Note this is not any stock advice by any means. Do your due diligence before investing into this. The first thing is about the company's main overview. So Trent operates across three main formats. The first one is your west side, where they focus on apparels and lifestyle things. Then comes their biggest asset maker, Zudio, which is your value fashion chain. So this is something which is rapidly expanding in the market. Then comes your Star Bazaar, which is your hypermarket department of them. So needless to say, this is a large cap stock with over 1.6 lakh crores of market cap, and of which 37% of stake is still held by Tata Sons. And in the quarter financial year 2025, the revenues grow over 4 years low. So it led to an 18% drop just few days back. On April 7th, the stock was down by 18% on one single day. But if you see it on a bigger picture, the 5 years revenue is over 36% and driven by Zudio's success and Westside's premium positioning in the market. So coming to the fundamental analysis of the stock, if you see the stock's PE value and if you happen to see the stock's PB values, you could see that they are having a PE of the stock is over 105x, whereas the industry median is just 33%. So that is something which is like really huge. Also the PB value is again like 43x when compared to like 6x in the market. The dividend yield of the stock is like very negligible, just 0.07%. And if you are someone who is looking out for dividends kind of thing, then definitely this stock is a no-go for you. But the profitability of the stock is over 44%. And if you happen to see the ROCE and ROE of the stock, the ROE is like 27% and the ROCE is over 23%. And the profit margin is like 56% of CAGR over the past 5 years. And the net debt value of the stock also has been reduced. It is like reduced to over 60% since the COVID crash. So since 2020, it has like reduced up greatly on this. And these are all like one of the better things which keeps them in a premium position in the market. So when you compare this with the industry competitors, where you got Aditya Birla Fashion, so their PB value is just 7.7x, their ROE is like 18%. And if you compare that with your Vishal Mega Mart, our last video, this has a PB of 8.4x and their ROE is like 20%. So Trent commands a very premium position justified by their higher return ratios. And the main thing that drives them is the Tata's backing up. That's the main thing that's making them stand in the market. So coming to the technical analysis of the stock, let's see the daily chart here. You could see that the stock has got, it's just below the 30 days moving average. You'll be able to see the value is like less than the moving average, which is like roughly around 5150. And the stock is like really on a bearish crossover here. It has just started up here in this on the April 2025 momentum. And the stock was like, as we saw earlier, it was down over 18% on one single day. The RSI of the stock is like again like 33, which means like it's not at an oversold zone. But the short term, you could definitely expect a volatility on the stock. It will definitely go or swing between 4,600 to 5,600 range. And the long term, once the stock is like breaching over your 200 EMA, then the stock is definitely ready to make up real wonders. And if you happen to see the institutional holdings or the analyst view of the stock, you could see that the stock is held by a lot of DIAs still. The FIAs have reduced their stake from 26% to 21%, and the DIAs have increased up their stake in this. The mutual funds, they have increased it from 9% to 11%. So that's something like which is like showing up still traction in this. And if you are thinking about the buy, sell or hold on this, then the short term is definitely going to be a sell, because the MACD is like showing up a bearish trend happening up on this, and there's definitely going to be a downtrend which is going to happen on this. But when you are going to plan for a long time, then you can plan for 4,200 to 4,500 as an entry range for this. From there on, this target of this stock will definitely go around like 8,000 rupees in like 1 or 2 years time. You can keep like 3,900 as your stop loss for the stock. So in summary, Trent is a high risk stock with a high reward ratio. So its premium valuation definitely reflects your stellar growth powered by your Tata's backing and Zudio's growth. in the short term, there will be definitely headwinds which they have to persist and they have to move on. So I'm personally holding this stock and I'm accumulating on dips. And what's your comment on this? Like, would you be like planning to buy, sell, or hold? Do leave your comments below, and do hit that bell icon and subscribe to this video for more such insights. And thanks for watching.